This demo shows how to influence chemical kinetics. Lawn lime pellets are added to hydrochloric acid. The calcium carbonate in the pellets reacts with the acid to carbon dioxide, calcium chloride and water. From right to left there are the reference test tube, then one with a higher acid concentration, then one in which the pellets are crushed to increase the surface area, and finally one with an increased temperature of 56 degrees centigrade compared to 21 in the ambient. You can find the 3D printing files of the dosing unit in the link in the video description.